So tell me, Dr. Greta, how does the traction device work, and how does it add additional size after penis enlargement surgery?
It simply stretches the penis and it makes it longer after the surgery, so you can achieve some extra length compared to the basic length achieved after the surgery.
Okay, so if we can increase by the length by up to 2.5 inches from the surgery, you could potentially put another inch or so on over time with the device.
Speaking. Yes.
Excellent. So that's why we use these extender devices after penis enlargement surgery. And of course, if you're having the penis enlargement injections to increase girth, presumably there's an optional running alongside. You could use an extender to increase length?
Yes, and you cannot achieve the same result without the surgery. Okay. You might achieve just a slight
increase with the extender,
a slight improvement.
So the best option really is the lengthening surgery with use of the extender afterwards to increase penis length.